Welcome to Learner's Guide. Essay on Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Introduction. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose is one of the greatest freedom fighters in Indian history. Known for his fearless attitude and patriotism, he dedicated his entire life to India's independence. Born on 23rd January 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha, Subhash Chandra Bose is remembered for his leadership, vision, and unwavering determination. Early life and education. Subhash Chandra Bose was an exceptional student. He passed the Indian Civil Services examination but chose to resign from the British government job to fight for India's freedom. Inspired by Swami Vivekananda and his philosophy, Bose was deeply motivated to work for the nation. Contributions to India's freedom struggle. Netaji played a vital role in India's fight for independence. Dissatisfied with the non-violent approach of the Indian National Congress, he believed in a more aggressive strategy. He founded the Forward Bloc and later established the Indian National Army, also known as Azad Hind Fauj, to fight against British rule. His famous slogan, "Give me blood and I will give you freedom," ignited the spirit of revolution in millions of Indians. Under his leadership, the Indian National Army fought bravely in several battles, demonstrating extraordinary courage. Legacy. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose remains a symbol of courage, patriotism, and sacrifice. His mysterious disappearance in 1945 is still a topic of debate, but his contributions to India's freedom are undeniable. Conclusion. Netaji's life is a source of inspiration for all. His vision of a free and united India continues to inspire generations. On every 23rd January, his birthday, the nation celebrates Parakram Divas to honor his bravery and determination. Let us pledge to follow his ideals and work towards building a stronger India.